Hello again. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the app's documentation section. We will start with the Data Model and Relationships tab. This tab contains information about all the fact tables and dimension tables, their contents, and the relationships between them. On the right side, you can see a visual representation of these relationships to better understand the specifics of the data model. We now move on to the Tables and Columns tab, where we can see a view of all the available tables built inside the app and their columns. Each table is listed on the left with a description of its contents and purpose, while on the right you can find a breakdown of the columns within each table, including their definitions and any relevant content. Continuing, we have the Measures page, where you can find more details on the Measures tables. The measures you see here may be familiar as they are commonly used as selectors on the report pages, but any measure from this table can be fetched and used for reporting purposes. On the right side, you can see the expression that is available for anyone interested in building on top of this app. Next, we have the calculation groups, which are actually calculations in terms of Power BI modeling. Again, on the right side, you can see the expression formula used to calculate each element. And last but not least, we have the Field Parameters tab. This tab lets you select from a variety of fields or measures to filter and make dynamic changes to your visuals. You can see all the available options on the left side of the screen and the formulas used on the right. Human friends, don't forget to check out the documentation before you ask me questions that are already answered there. Trust me, it saves us both time and energy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.